Welcome to your new iPhone. We are going to walk through the process of migrating your history and media from your old Android device. This method will move your photos, text messages, contacts, and your complete WhatsApp chat history. Before we begin, look at your new iPhone. It must be resting on the initial Hello setup screen for this to work. If you have already finished the setup or have reached the home screen, you will need to go into Settings and perform a complete factory reset. This migration tool only activates during the iPhone's first boot. Now, plug both devices into a power source and ensure your Android phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. By establishing a steady power supply and a controlled device state now, you eliminate the power loss and software timeouts that cause most data transfer errors. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store. Download the Move to iOS app and accept the terms of service. Next, go to your Android settings and turn off your cellular data. If your phone has a setting called Smart Network Switch, disable that as well. Android phones often automatically disconnect from Wi-Fi networks that don't have internet access. If your phone drops the Wi-Fi to search for a cell signal, it will terminate the transfer. Now, pick up your iPhone. Swipe up on the Hello screen and follow the initial setup prompts. Proceed through the language and region settings until you reach the screen titled Transfer Your Apps and Data. Locate the list on the screen and tap the option labeled From Android. Tap Continue on both devices to prepare for the pairing code. This protocol effectively isolates both phones, creating a secure, localized connection between your two devices. To establish this link, the iPhone is now broadcasting its own temporary Wi-Fi network. A 6-digit code will appear on your iPhone. Enter this code into the Move to iOS app on your Android phone. When the Android device asks for permission to join the temporary network, tap Connect. You will now see a checklist of data categories on the Android screen. Manually check the box for every item you want to move over. It is vital that you select WhatsApp here. This is the only point in the process where your WhatsApp chat database can be integrated into the iPhone system. Taking the time to select everything you need now prevents the need to factory reset the iPhone later to retrieve a missing folder. With your data selected, tap Continue on the Android phone to start the migration. Do not touch either device. Do not switch to other apps, answer phone calls, or allow screens to sleep. Note that the Android device may display a complete message prematurely. You must wait until the progress bar on the iPhone screen is finished. Uninterrupted patience at this stage is the difference between a corrupted file transfer and a successful migration of your entire media library. Once the progress bar on the iPhone is full, tap Done on the Android and Continue on the iPhone. You will now see prompts to activate your cellular plan. Follow the instructions to move your phone number over to your new eSIM. After you reach the home screen, you may be asked to add apps. Tap this to automatically download the iOS versions of the free apps you had on Android. Open your Messages and Photos apps to verify that your texts, contacts, and images have moved over correctly. Remember that loose files like downloaded PDFs or local music files are not part of this automated process and will need to be moved manually using a computer. Now that your history is in place, you can resume your daily routines on your new device without losing years of personal data.